This video will demonstrate how to inoculate a 3M brand rapid SRB detection pouch. Open the foil packaging and remove the pouches needed for testing, being careful to minimize exposure of pouches to external contaminants. If any pouches remain, reseal the packaging with the zipper closure. Label the pouch with sample identifier and date and time of inoculation. Draw up approximately 3 milliliters of water sample using the sterile pipette or other transfer system that won't puncture the side of the pouch. These supplies are available from any major lab supply company. Carefully insert the pipette into the pouch between the two paper release liners, pushing the tip all the way to the bottom of the pouch. Carefully dispense the sample into the bottom of the pouch and remove the pipette. Bend the white paper release liners outward. Grab the bottom of each with the thumb and pull to remove. Seal the pouch all the way across the top, applying gentle pressure on the adhesive strip. Small air bubbles may be present in the pouch. They will not impact results. For incubation, the best results have been obtained with the pouch standing up vertically, allowing the precipitate in the medium to slowly settle on the bottom. A standard test tube rack works well and can hold a large number of pouches. Pouches still function lying down.